All right, we are at 2826 30th Ave Northwest, or 30th Ave West, excuse me, 30th Ave West. Ran this camera out, I'm almost 200 feet down the line. I'm in the manhole right now. This line is shared by a couple of homes here, this home and the one to the south. We should be coming back into the side sewer line here shortly. Alright, here's where we enter the city main. We're coming back now into this original piping that serves 2826 in the home to the south. There's a section of PVC down there. Section's been replaced out near the main. I see some panels that are new on the street out there indicating that is relatively recent work. But again, shared sewer line, 6-inch diameter concrete, coming back towards the properties now. This is the section where we come out of that shared portion, and now there's about 50 feet of shared sewer line before we get to the main. Now we're back in the personal line for 2826. So again, 6-inch diameter concrete. This is kind of running, I believe, along the sidewalk parking strip area. I'm going to go locate it here in a minute when we get back closer to the turn and where this line comes up the hill. Back into a section of PVC here. So a section of that line was replaced at some point. And here we're coming around that turn down by the sidewalk. I'm going to locate this spot and find out where we're at.